Hey brother, this is the video to show you that the functionality works, right? Did that. Functionality, testing, oh, cool. Alright, so, cool, I'm going to show you. We have this, we're not logged in, so it just has regular welcome. Right now we are going to log in. Okay, so we're logged in, and we do have welcome mark. Cool, good job. What was it again? I have featured. All right, so we're gonna go to product control. We have instant hole right now, so I guess we're just going to do crash helmet. You have successfully changed the featured product to crash helmet. Cool. Go home. Has crash helmet now. Cool. Okay, I guess I'll just show logout. It's just regular welcome, and the thing is still here, thankfully. What else? Oh, yeah. We'll do this. The resizing really gave me a lot of trouble, but I think I got most of it down. So there we go. The only thing is, well, the only thing that really has issue is the footer. The footer gave me a lot of trouble. Yeah, it just doesn't really want to stay, so that can't be helped, but it does look better now, thankfully. HTML and CSS is all good. I'll just show you that now. CSS is all good. And HTML is also good. However, I do have issues I just wanted to talk about. For example, let's go to miscellaneous here, or explosives, I guess. It's easier. I'll validate local HTML here. So, yeah, since we're doing for each for the products in the categories view, it shows that there's a duplicate, but I know that's just how it is because it's for each and it's just duplicating the process for each. So not really much I can do about that. But yeah. Thanks for the semester, brother. I think I really learned a lot. I don't know if I passed or not, but whether I did or not, I think I learned a lot. All right, this is Mark Vallando signing out.